Thinking about a car? The big question for many is, do I buy new or do I refinance my current loan? And if you're looking at Ally Auto, what's the difference between their refinancing and buying options? It's a common point of confusion, and today we're going to break it down. Let's start with refinancing. Maybe you've had your car for a while, and your credit score has improved, or perhaps interest rates have dropped since you first got your loan. Refinancing with Ally Auto can be a fantastic way to potentially lower your monthly payments, reduce your interest rate, or even shorten your loan term. You're essentially replacing your old loan with a new one that has better terms. The process with Ally is designed to be straightforward and can even give you a pre-qualified offer online in just a few minutes without impacting your credit score. This is a great way to save money on a car you already love. Now, what about buying? Ally Auto also offers financing for new and used car purchases. This is for when you're ready for a new ride entirely. You'll work with an Ally-affiliated dealership to find the car you want and secure the loan directly through them. This option is about getting the best possible financing terms for a new vehicle purchase. You're not just getting a loan, you're using their financing to get into a different car. So, the key difference is simple: refinancing is for the car you already own, while buying is for the next car you're going to own. The right choice depends entirely on your financial goals. Are you happy with your current car and just want to save money on it? Refinancing could be for you. Are you ready for an upgrade or need a different vehicle altogether? Then financing a purchase is the way to go. Either way, Ally Auto provides resources to help you explore your options and find the solution that fits your unique situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.